maulan na umaga sa inyo. Today is Friday. Kagabi, hindi ko na na-close yung ating vlog. Wala, nagmamadali na ako kagabi. So, today is, sabi ko sa September. October 6, yung cake, nalagay ko yung, ano niya, yung dalawang magkaibang toppings. Meron pa akong ilalagay sa top. Yung, lalagyan ko pa siya ng hazelnuts. Pero mamaya ko yung gagawin. And, gumawa ulit ako ng isa pa, just in case. Hindi magustuhan ni Jan kasi pag may nuts, parang hindi bet ni Jan. Gusto ko para maiba naman yung flavor ng aking chocolate cake. Well, it's not chocolate cake. Caramel. You didn't fishing bag?
No.
Why? Rough? What?
He got bag.
Bag. Palitan niya yung beanbag. So, yeah. So, dalawa yung... Asan na yun? Where is it? It's not here.
Oh,
Natuka na sana ako.
Okay.
So, may backup ako mamaya. So, iba kasi frosting yung ginawa ko. Hindi yung gusto niyang chocolate. Iniba ko na naman. Yan pa na pag may gusto. Eto, bumababa naman dun. Lagi siyang bumababa. Siguro kakabukas. Hindi matibay yung magnet niya siguro. Pero maganda siya. Gusto ko siya kasi nalalagyan kong note. Yun nga lang, baba siya ng baba. So, yun nga. Yung baka mamaya makagawa ulit ako nun ng frosting sa isang cake. Pero we'll see. So, ngayon maliligo muna tayo kasi yung bisita natin darating ng tanghali. So, anong oras na? Yung clock kasi namin, di ba nag-daylight savings na? Yung clock namin, hindi pa inaayos ni Jan. So, 7:51. Dito magsa-7 pa lang. So, maligo muna ako. Yung mga bata, naririnig ko na sila sa kwarto. Sa kwarto nila. And, okay naman yung mag-aano lang naman ako magba-vacuum. Tapos, maglalagay ng bedsheet doon sa kwarto. Dito sila. Yara! Good morning.
Hello.
Where's Kuya?
He's just there.
Where's that?
No, he's
That is so asleep?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Sorry.
How's the second one asleep?
Alright.
Oh,
Okay, maligo muna ako.
away.
Palitan ko muna pala yung aming airwick spray. Kasi ubos na to. Nasa labas na pala yung mga bata. Ito yung gamit. Ito yung 2 weeks or less than 3 weeks. Ito yung gamit ko. Ngayon, ito naman. Mabango rin kasi ito. Yung soft cotton. Pero hindi nakakasawang amoy. Lagay ko lang ito. Ayan. Okay. And ito sa bathroom. Ito dito siya. Binigyan pa rin ni Kuya ng breakfast yung magkapatid. And si Holly kasi marunong na itong gumawa ng sarili niya pag gusto niya ng cereal. Yung kinakain nila ay Cocoa Pops, right? And si Blue ay kumuha na siya ng fruit box. Yung dalawa, yung malaki, ayaw nila mag-breakfast. Ayan.
I had breakfast.
What did you have?
Coca-Cola.
Ah, did you? Oh, I was in the bathroom. You?
I was definitely.
See ya? No. Okay, fix the couch, please.
What time are they coming?
Maybe 11. Bago ako maligo, pakulang ko na tong corned beef kasi medyo matagal to. Sige. Ano sabi mo, ma? Oh, sige. Anong bakalan mo? Anong gusto niya? Ha? Kausap ko si mama. Sige ma'am. Bye. Ingat. Love you. Bye. Bye. Okay, bye-bye. Love you. Alright, okay. Bye-bye. Okay, alright. Bye. Love you. Bye.
Bye na.
Love you. Bye. Okay, bye. No worries, mama. Guys, anong oras na? 9:59. In 1 hour, sabi ni Kuya, in 1 hour? In 1 hour, they will be here? Can you help me put this one there, please?
10 o'clock.
Magluluto ako ng
It's 10 o'clock.
paksiw na pata. Kunin ko lang nandun sa fridge. Basa pa yung buhok ko, tinali ko na. Wala na tayong time para i-ano ko siya. Not yet that one yet. I-plancha or i-dry. Can you do it, Kuya Bus? I'm gonna do the... Pinapatabi ko kay Kuya yung mga napatuyo ng plato. Stop taking your day. Thanks, Kuya. So, magpapakulo tayo ng ito yung half pork half. Pero hindi ko to ubusin. Ito mag-slice ako nito para may laman din. Malaman naman yung ating pork half. Pero lagyan natin, then hatiin ko. Hindi ko siya ubusin lahat kasi madami to. Sikat lang naman ang ating bisita. Si Neil, corned beef, tsaka si Jan. Tapos may cheese platter din tayo. Hindi ko pa nahugasan yung mga pinakainan ng mga bata. Dad's here. Si Jan pala umalis. Di ba sinasabi ko sa inyo yung yung mga water bottles like coffee. Inano niya na sa junk shop. May junk shop din kasi dito. Binibili nila yun. 10 cents kasi yung bottle. Okay. Ito yung kalahating sibuyas doon sa ginamit natin na beef. Corned beef na pinapakulaan ko. So, hiwain ko lang to. Yung cake, hala. Mamaya na talaga. Pero okay na to. Ay, mamaya na lang. Maghiwa muna. Magpakulo muna ako. Di ba, mamadali na tayo. Bakit kasi? Matagalan ako. Hindi, maaga kasi sila, Kat. Maaga kasi sila. Kasi nasa Kingston na sila eh. Where's all your friends? Why? Ha? Nag-ano sila eh, naglaro sila sa labas. May mga ka-recruit sila kanina. Hindi ko na sila na-vlog kasi nagmamadali na tayo. Okay. Naghiwa muna ang Pumunta. Nandito ba sila, Hunter? Pipick upin sila ni... Is Auntie Mel gonna pick you up? Auntie Mel? Yeah, ayan sila, oh. Why are you wearing acid on jersey?
Because I was buying on my scene.
Are you? How about, Rylan? West Coast? What's that? Okay. Okay, maghiwa muna ako dito, guys. Hiwa-iwain ko muna ang mga to. Nagpalit din, palit. Naglagay na rin ako ng bedsheet nila, Kat. And nag-vacuum. Kaya medyo natagalan tayo. Hi, babe! Hi, honey! Did Neil text you, hon? No. Why did you say that they will be in 1 hour?
11 o'clock. They're coming? What are you cooking?
What I'm going to cook? Paksiw. You know what paksiw is? Do you want to eat something? Come here. Ano yung niluluto ko? Here. You want this? No? What do you want? Alright. Thanks, Auntie Chona. You're welcome. Give me a kiss. Is Auntie Mel gonna pick you up?
Yeah.
Pick upin sila ni Auntie Mel. Doon naman sila kila Auntie Mel. Matutulog. Open. Akin na baba. Okay. Thanks, Auntie Chona. You're welcome, Baba. Good? Is that your drink? And drink water as well, okay? Nag-whip sleeper si Johnny Boy. Nag-blower na siya dun sa labas. Ito yung ating corned beef. Ayan. Gusto ko sana, hindi ako marinig. Gusto ko sana gamitin yung isa kong malaking pan. Kaso hindi na magkakasya dito sa aking lutuan. So, ito lang yung magkakasya. Oh my God. Gusto ko sana yung malaki. Kaso, hindi kasya. Hindi kasya ang malaki. Pat. Wala, paano na to? Madami akong pat. Kaso yung size niya malaki. And yung lutuan natin hindi ganun kalaki. Gamit kasi natin yung isa. Pinapakula natin yung corned beef. Ayan. Si Kat, nag-request siya ng kare-kare. Sabi ko, gustong-gusto ko mag-kare-kare kasi hindi na ako nakakabili dito ng oxtail. Hindi na nagbibenta ng oxtail yung whole tsaka wulis. And kahit sa sa butcher, kahit sa butcher, pag nagtatanong ko, wala sila. So, last time nag-order ako sa Adelaide, so medyo matagal, ilang weeks din ako bago naghintay. So, si Kat, dahil gusto niya magkare-kare, sabi ko, hanap ko dyan ng oxtail. So, baka may dala yung sikat na oxtail. So, yan. Yan lang yung kasya. Maglalagay pa ako dito purple yam. Gabi sana ilalagay ko. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung napakita ko sa inyo. Malaki yung gabi doon sa Asian store. So, purple yam yung ating gagamitin. Pakulang ko. So, ito yung ating situation dito, guys. O, diba? Tama lang yung size niya. Kaso, pag nilagay ko na yung mga sangkap, hindi na siya kasya. Meron kasi ako dito. Marami sana tayo. Kaso, hindi kasya doon sa ating kalan. Ayan, meron din tayo. Malaki din yun. Okay, we'll see. We'll see later. So, ito yung ibang pork hack. Meron tayong 3 bags. Ito, madami to sa isang bag. Ito, tama lang. Ang lalaki nila, oh. Ayan. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Hindi ko alam kung maririnig niyo ako. Nagkakat kasi siya ng grass. Yung isa pala dito, gagawin ko siyang umba. Umba or umba. And, nagsabi ako kay Kat kung makahanap siya ng blossom, yung dried. Kasi wala akong makikita dito sa Asian store namin. Ang nabili ko kasi ito, yung nasa lata. Never ko pa ito na-try kasi yung ginagamit ko ay yung dry. So, we'll see kung may dala si Kat kasi miss ko na rin magmumba. Ayan, kumukulo na yung ating mga pinapakuluan dito. Gagawin ko pa yung isang toppings para sa aking cake. Kaso saan natin siya ilalagay? Ang sikip. Alright, alright, alright. Mag-cheese platter din pala. Paalis na raw sila sa Kingston. Ito pala yung ginagawa ko pag nagluluto ako ng paksiw. Yung unang kulo, tinatapong ko, tapos sinuhugasan ko para walang amoy, ganun. So, ayan. So, mag-iwan ako ng sibuyas. Ito yung kalahati doon sa nilagay ko sa corned beef. Then, meron din tayong bawang. Naglagay na ako ng paminta, tsaka daw ng laurel sa ating paksiw. So, nilagay ko na yung bawang, sibuyas, dahon ng laurel, and paminta. And ano pa ba? Mamaya ko na iwain yung purple yam. Nandito yung purple yam natin. And, parang yung isa parang sira kasi hapon, parang, ayan, oh, sayang. Medyo, ano pa naman to, medyo mahal yung kilo niya. Ayan. Malambot. Ito yung kalahati niya, ano lang, ayan, parang sira yung isa. Ayan, malambot siya. Hindi ko napansin, kasi bagong dating siya, diba? So, pinili ko lang yung walang butas. Sana ito okay. Hugasan ko na rin pala to. Para mamaya, ready na to. Yung ating corned beef, walay pa yan. And, lutuan ko ng hotdog yung mga bata. So, ayan. Pakulan lang naman to. Nasaan yung ating... Punong-puno yung aking ano, guys. As in, wala na siyang space para sa purple yam natin. Yung gabi sana, kaso ang laki ng gabi. Alright, palambutin na yan. And, hugasan ko tong purple yam. Hi, Taj! Si Holly tsaka si Riker pumunta sa bahay ni Taj para i-invite. Kanina yung nandito si Parker, yung medyo maliit. Ngayon nandito si Taj, so maglalaro na naman sila ng footy. Ayan si Taj. Si Hunter naglalaro ng game niya. Oh. Pero lalabas yan mamaya. Ayan yung update dito na yan. Okay, tapos na yung ating chocolate.
Settling in, settling down, falling in love.
So, okay na to. Roughly chopped. Tapusin ko lang tong cake na to. And, pinapakulang ko na yung hotdog ng mga bata. And, mag-chop din ako na fruits. Meron tayo dyan yung bigay ni Auntie Mel na watermelon. Meron pala tayo dyan na watermelon tsaka pineapple. Chop din natin yun. Ayan. Oh. Saan ang gusto ni Johnny Boy? Cake, yung cake. Ayan na yung cake. And gumamit ako dito ng yung ring, circle, para mag-ano talaga yung ating yung icing, hindi icing, yung cream. And naglagay din ako ng eto. Oh, para talaga ikaw yung aking ano ba, eto guys. Tawag nito, parang binili mo siya sa restaurant. Ay, sa bakery restaurant. Ayan. So, sana lang magustuhan ni Johnny Boy. Walang silbi ang ganda kung hindi niya magugustuhan ang cake. Meron ako dyan na yung cake turner. Andoon kasi guys, sa ano. Nasa labas yung mga pang-baking ko. Nasa malaking storage box. And mayroong mga nakapatong. Tinatamad ako. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko na lang ay isip-isip. Saan ko ba siya ilan? Dito na lang. Yeah, dito na lang. Tanggalin ko na kaya to. Gupitin ko na lang. Kasi, wait lang guys ha. Update ko.
Oh, look at that.
So, ginugupit ko na lang kasi para hindi tayo ma-aksidente. Kasi baka pumulaps yung aking cake. Pantay ba? Urong natin dito kasi parang mas maraming space dito. Yan na yan. Buhos na natin to. Ayun. Tapos din tong cake natin. Give, is Taj still there? Kuya? Hindi ako narinig. Alukin niya sana ng fruit box. Kasi ang dami nating fruit box dyan. Gamitin ko yung maliit kong spatula. It's not that hot. Mag-ano naman sila ng tubig. Hi, Baba. Sprinkler again? Tinatawag niya si Riley. Are you excited, my best friend? Tira yung kape yan. Sabi niya, no, but Tita Manay, Auntie Chona's making
Cake.
cake. Wanna try? Like this one, oh. This is done.
Can I make some?
Yeah. You help each other. Ang cute nila, oh. Good?
Better than going in the sprinkler.
Right, that's Boston.
What's that?
Not smelly.
Boston.
What is that? Yan naman siya. I'm gonna put in the fridge. Sabi niya, hindi raw smoothie kasi nga may naan.
Hey, Mom, that's Boston.
What's that? What do you mean? Me and Holly. Here, just do this.
No, shoot.
There, use your finger.
See? It's a Boston.
Hey, Mom, what's in that icing?
Peanut.
No, I don't want to say. You have to try it.
No, is it got rice in it?
Rice? No rice.
Good. It's not like rice.
So, ayan na yung ating cake, guys. Messy look lang yung kanyang design. Ayan. Ganyan. So, ilagay ko na to sa fridge para mamaya pwede na nila tong kainin. And ayan yung ating hot dog. Pinakulang ko siya dito sa rice cooker.
Is this the nuts?
Yeah, hazelnuts. Good? Yeah. Diba? Sinisimot niya. Hinuhugasan ko na pala yung ating purple yam. Kasi, ilalagay na natin sa dun sa ating paksiw. So, yan yung itsura. Eto, napaka-purple dito sa dulo. Dito, hindi masyado. Ayan. So, hiwain ko na to. So, nahiwa na natin. And eto, hindi ko na ito isasama kasi parang bulok na yung, ayan. And yung kulay niya ay hindi naman ganun ka-purple. Ganyan lang. Nagbabakim ulit si Jan kasi mga bata, labas-pasok. Andun sila sa trampoline, tuwan-tuwa. Ayan na. Andito na si Anta. Kanina, ang saya-saya nila doon. Hindi pa lang kung maririnig ako kasi ang ingin ng ating vacuum. Ayan sila. Oo, ayan na sila. You're done? Kailangan ng mga bata yung kanilang towels. Ito kay Hunter. Si Jan na yun. Binakim niya rin yung kwarto nila Neil. Binakim ko na yun. So, inulit niya ulit. Which is good. Magawa na ako ng cheese platter. Here. How about, Taj? Wait. Just share, Usak. Okay, here Holly, this is your. I'll get you one, Taj. I'll get you one, love. Okay? Oh, give it to TJ. Kuhaan ko rin si Taj ng towel. Kasi nilalamig sila. Sabi ko sa kanila, malamig. Hindi sila nakikinig eh. Here you go. Rylan, that's yours. This is your Taj. You're welcome. Okay, just hang your towels there, okay? Okay. Diba, ang dami nating labahang towels. Ayan si Hunter. You want ketchup? Tomato sauce? Yes, please. Okay, kuya. Get it. Yeah. Si Sak naghanap ng maliit na... You think it will fit him? Yung mga pinut away namin ng mga pang-donate. Hinahanapan niya si
The one that
Rylan. Riker ako, sasabihin ko sa Riker. Diba? Si Taj umalis na. Sabi ko, mamaya na para makakain din siya. Nilalamig na. Ayan si kuya. Ayan sir, kung may chicken din. What's that? It's alright, love. It's alright.
No,
It's alright.
that's it.
Ayaw ni ko. It's alright, love. You want shorts? Again. Si Oli, binigyan siya ng leggings. Ito na pala yung ating paksiw na pata. Ayan. Ang lambot na ng ating pata. Yung isa, parang natanggal na. Ayan, nawala na siya sa buto. Ayan. Lagyan ko to sa ibabaw ng sili. Ayan. And lumapot na yung ating sabaw. Okay. Yung corned beef, okay na rin yun. Ayan. Okay na rin siya. Ito ko yung sili. Meron ko ditong sili. Yung ano to, yung Thai. Ay, ano bang tawag dito? Ayan. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya sa ibabaw para sarap. Ha?
They just going up to play mini golf
Mini golf?
with Ollie
Where?
in Blue Lake.
Now?
Yeah.
Are you... You're not gonna eat yan? Kumain lang siya hotdog. Hinihintay yung ano... Cake. Huh? What do you want? Kumain lang siya hotdog tsaka rice. Pero gusto niyo kumain ng...
I'm on the next world and I got first one person.
Oh, asim.
World and
Ang sarap. Nag-aagaw yung asim, alat, tsaka tamis. Tapos durugin yung sili. Mapaparami ang kanin ni Kat nito. Sarap. Okay, gawin ko na yung cheese platter. Yun na yung next. Kabihis na siya, oh. Nahanapan na siya ni Kuya Sak niya ng damit. Alis na si Kuya. See you, ya. Enjoy. Oh, mommy. Ganun lang siya. Ayun, ganun lang yung kay daddy niya. So, gawin ko na yung cheese platter. Text na si Kat. Dahil muna raw sila sa mount, bili ng nappies. So, kunin ko na yung ating fruits.
Oh, what?
Yan yung ating cheese platter. Ilasan ko muna ito. Hiwain muna natin yung ating strawberries.
Can you leave it off?
Yeah, they are.
Oh, I better get those, that love when you connect it.
Yung ibibigay niya kay Veronica na yung quintas na yung isa kay Veronica, yung heart.
It's a
Yeah.
friendship one.
That's right.
You can break it and
Give it to your friend.
yeah, it says best friends. From my best.
Best friends na. Best friends
Animal got it.
for your birthday.
I got 4 things. 5 things. My nails in this one. Knock it off.
Yeah, yung nails niya hindi tanggalan na.
Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in a crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen.
Ito yung gypsy ham. Susuklayin
Ha?
niya. Try. Nice now. Suklayan niya ang kanyang dalaga.
Can you brush my hair?
Hilig yan ni Jan. Nasuklayan
That's not my
namin.
hair. Is it still smelling?
That's better. What did you put in
I
there?
washed it in the chair.
The tram.
And then
Why the tram?
Because. Ow, 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 ow. Actually, that's good.
Oh, it's shining.
Pet shopping boys now welcome.
Well, that's good. You don't brush it, darling.
Brush it. Yeah.
Does it look better? Baby?
Does it look better daw ba Daddy asked?
Can I put the strawberries on?
Not. Naughty. Yana, yana, yan.
Yummy, yummy, yum. Dad, put one together. Dad, put one together.
Royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning. Winning. The fuss and the fights will keep in trust. And you make me wanna say I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. Ay, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing.
Ang palakat. May napi ako dyan. So, ayan na guys. So, tapos ko na siyang ikat. So, ayan na yung corned beef. Nakat ko na siya. Have some love! Nahihiya siya. Come on. Have some. Come on. You want chocolate? You want this? Strawberries? Ah, you want Coke. May Coke pala siya dyan. Nahihirapan siyang magbukas. Okay, love. Thanks, Auntie Chona. Nahihiya kasi siya. Have some, Nelsie. I'm gonna cook your mashed potato and cauliflower.
Oh,
Have some, Baba. Get some. Don't be shy. Yeah.
Hey,
What do you want, love? You want blueberries?
yum yum.
Jack.
Other hand.
let's do that, buddy.
Na siya? Oh, 5, di ba? Ayan, may hotdog din tayo. Go, Elijah, have some hot dogs. May chicken nga ako dyan. Di ko lang na, himay. Have some. Si Veronica, hindi, nagsuka daw siya. Oo. Daldal kami ng daldal. Ito na pala, ginagawa ko na yung partner ng corned beef. Ito yung cauliflower. Binoy ko lang. Na yung ating cauliflower.
Very healthy.
Pinapatay na ni Jan yung PS. Sabi ni Jan, lumabas na kayo. Ayan. Ito pa yung isang regalo ni Tita Kati ata to. Yeah. Gusto na nilang mag-cake.
Don't touch the bottom. No, don't.
Hard.
No, that's the chocolate.
Oh,
Kasi ayaw niya ngang may nuts.
have to eat outside, Jack.
No, get the plate sack. Ay,
That's favourite.
yeah. Okay, Zach, try.
Have a try that.
No, wrong spoon. Wrong spoon.
Have a try.
Wait, wrong spoon.
It's all right.
Kathy, this one's not.
What's like?
Don't.
Is
What?
this one?
Yeah, I want the best bit. I like
So where's the crease?
Do you think, honey?
I think we're adding
Kasi gusto niya lang plain chocolate. How is it, Zach? Zach, how? What do you think, Ann? What? What?
Sultana, there's sultanas.
There's no sultanas. Ano ba to? Yeah, it's like a... Yeah, because there's a hazelnut.
Ice cream. Got some of that milk.
Neil, try. Can you get Tito Neil a small plate there, Zach? You know that one, that side, Zach. Zach. There, on top. On top. On top. Ay. Ayan yung itsura ng cake. Gustong-gusto ni Zach. Do you like it, Han?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had too much milk.
Yeah, gusto niya kasi kumain muna ng tea. Welcome. I know what you mean, Zach. Because there is a caramel chocolate.
I want to mix it. I want to mix it. You do that one.
Yeah, good.
Good? You like it, Neil?
Why?
What's it taste like?
Right on.
Here's yours, Hunt. Hunt, here, Hunt. This is your plate.
I think Mel is here.
Mel? Mel? Auntie Mel. Kasi pipick upin nila si
Where's Roland?
si Rylin. Hi, Auntie Mel. Ito na lang. Si Rylin pala.
Did you give her your necklace?
Yes.
Wow.
Hi, Auntie Mel. Have some cake, Auntie Mel. Ay, John.
Tanya, her name is.
Yeah.
Outside the court.
Yeah, I knew that.
She's still there.
Did you remember it?
Yes, baby, you want? Yeah, this is yours, love. This is for Auntie Mel. Nandito si Auntie Mel. Auntie Mel?
Thank you.
Welcome. Try Auntie Mel. Where you going? What are you talking?
Hawaii.
Oh, yeah, punta siya ng Hawaii.
I'll try to get bloody 4
In 2 weeks.
Drink enough milk.
Anong lasa ng cake? Roger. Ferrari. You like it, Auntie Mel?
Yeah.
It's not that sweet, right?
I've got coffee in it.
Caramel chocolate.
Really papa.
Second slice na si Nelsie. Nagustuhan ng ating mga bisita. How's my cake, best friend? How about? Good? No? Alright. The truth, love, is it good? Yeah, you want cake?
Yeah.
Okay, si Holly.
Why did you finish it?
I ate it bloody eat.
Are you having some go fitness tomorrow, are you?
Yeah, mag-walking daw kayo ni Kat. No, I'm not eating.
You're still not eating.
Oh, I'm eating now, but I'm not eating. Naubos ni Hunter. Kamayin ko na to, Kat, kasi. Oh.
Thank you.
Si Holly din pala. Okay na yan, para i-walking mo bukas. Anong lasa?
No joke.
Asin. At saka hindi siya ang Ferrero matamis eh. Ito hindi.
Yung sarap ng cake ni Mama.
But it does say that in Wales.
Kasi siyang Ferrero.
Hindi mo. Baba, oh. Welcome. Good job, Baba. Akin na. Dito na siya.
Say, Jane. Hug.
Hug.
How about that?
Happy birthday daw sabi ni Tita Kati. Ito na lang yung natira nating cake. Ito kay Uncle Jace to. Kay Uncle Jace.
Hold that enough.
Nasaan yung aking ano?
Molly, you just order it.
Auntie Ma will do it. Yeah. Yes, kuya. Ito yung dessert ko. Nag-yogurt ako. Sila cake. Hindi ko trinay yung cake. Pero masarap daw eh. Paubos na nga, oh. Paubos na. Yung dalawa naglalaro. Good? You like it, yeah?
Only like the crunchy bit.
The crunchy bit?
A bit of crunchy bit.
Yeah.
I'll go outside, go outside.
Dito sila, oh.
Down there. Tomorrow.
Where?
Yeah, they got grey, red.
This mine.
What do you want, Hunter?
What do you want? It's alright. You can have Coke.
Have fruit box.
You want
Uwi na sila. Uwi na. Punta na sila kila Auntie Mel. Sino yun? Oh, yung umiyak. Nak, what's wrong?
Come on. Oh, cause
Alis na sila. Yung mga suot nila, nandun na yun sa donation. Buti na lang. Nagkasya pa sa kanila. Mali. Uwi na sila. Punta muna sila kila dad para kumuha na. You're gonna get some clothes?
Hey. Yeah, Monday.
Monday. Pogi! Turn around! I wanna see your top. Turn around. Isak yan eh. Yung suot niya kay Isak, hindi na kasya. So sa kanya na. Nice. TJ, yeah. Oh, see you, Sakari daw.
Give him a hug, mate.
Giovanni, Chona a hug.
Zach.
Si Sak lagi niya inaano si Ryan. Oh, see you, love.
Say, see you next week.
See you next week, yeah. Okay, I'll see you next week, okay? Thank you for coming. Say, see you guys.
See ya.
See ya. May dala siyang coke. Nakadalawa, 3 coke na ata siya.
Say to Uncle John.
Say, see ya, Uncle John. See ya, Uncle John.
Yeah, it's raining now. It's raining.
Hunter, my hug. Siya ulit ang gag sa akin. See ya. See ya, Dad. See you next time. Oh my God, Mami. Mayroon silang gift card. Hindi na kasi. Gift card na lang na PlayStation. Kuya. Naglalaro si Kuya. Say, kami to. Ano ba? Napagalitan siya. Shake hand. Tamo, ganyan siya. Ganyan siya. Hello. Hi.
You like me?
Oh, good na.
Thanks, Tita Ka. Di ba ganyan lang siya?
Thank you.
You say thank you?
You said that.
Meron din siya? Meron. Ikaw na talagang bakit ka mayroon? Hoy, did you say thank you, Tita Kati? Hoy, kanal Tita Kati na just say thank you? Mayroon din siya? Bakit man mayroon siya? Birthday niya?
Happy birthday.
When is that birthday? 'Cause we always do it this time of year.
Oo nga, di ba?
Birthday April, yeah?
May. Kanal Tita Kat, May. Kanal Tita Kat, say thank you, Tita Kat.
We don't come down here.
Yeah. Update, 5:18 na guys. Si Sak, at saka yung mga friends niya, bumalik ulit dito. Si Park, at saka si Taj. Nandito sila. Cake na naman ang food, malamig. Ang hangin. Ayan sila. Kain na pala yung boys. Si Jan, ito raw yung kanya, kasi diet daw siya. Ito daw kay Neil. Mas marami yung kay Neil. Himala. Ayan yung corned beef. How many you want, babe? How many you want, babe? 3.
You got rice?
Huh? Yes, the oxtail's still there. Yeah, that's the oxtail.
Yeah, I'll have some.
Come say, Mom, are you sure this is not oxtail? Say, Kuya. Okay, get your plate.
I got it.
Try it first.
Where do you want to sit, Neil?
On check.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ito kay Kuya. Get, oh, you're welcome. Sit down here, yeah. Ayan sila, kumakain sila.
Hang on.
Can you get me a spoon? Rice talaga si Kuya.
Oo, ayaw niya yan eh. Tinikman niya pa, akala niya oxtail yung aking ano. It's not oxtail, yeah. Filipino ka, dong. Ayaw niya ng corned beef tsaka mashed potato. Gusto niya yung paksiw. Sabi niya kasi, mashed potato manay. So, ayan na yung ating paksiw. Ayan yung kay Kat. Ito yung atin. Akin. So, kain na guys. Kainan na.
I'll have 999 left. That's perfect enough.
Awesome. Si Kuya daw, babalikan niya to. Nagustuhan ni Kuya. Si Elijah nagustuhan din. Yan sila. Yung dalawang girls, may sariling mundo na doon sa kwarto ng boys. Ha? More rice si Kuya. Hintay ko lang si Kat kasi pinapakain niya pa si Elijah. Si Kuya gusto niya pa. Nagustuhan niya yung ating paksiw. Huwag mo lang sabihin na paaya ng baboy. Baka hindi niya nakainin.
Nice.
Soup.
And chicken.
Chicken? No chicken, yeah.
I think
Whatever
second
it
week
is.
or first week. I'm not sure.
It's okay.
Go get some pork there, yeah.
Is that gone or
No, that's, akin na.
where's your
Nakuha niya yung purple yam.
okay?
I'll get it here because hindi mo alam kung...
Pork?
Where?
What's that?
Okay. Yeah,
What's that?
Yeah, that's pork.
that's pork
Yeah,
too.
I'll have the whole thing.
The whole thing? Yeah. What's that? Thank you, Lord, for our food.
What color?
Uy, namiss ko ito manoy.
Gusto kong try yung yung purple yam. Hindi naman siya purple, guys. Para lang din siyang gabi.
Where was it?
Remember, he left it in. He said,
Gusto ko yung
What is it? It looks like
When did I leave that here?
Kain.
oh, last year. Last year.
Oh, cool. Forgot about that.
oh, we're coming down.
Yeah. Scored a free hat.
One more here.
No, I'm good, thanks.
ang sarap ng pork nito.
Thank you very much. That was delicious.
No worries.
Delicious.
I forgot if you want
Do you want a Coke?
No,
Oh.
I'm on a diet, John.
Ang posibleng ayaw mo ng coke at yung ka dyan.
I'm on a diet, John.
You fight
Huh?
away
I'm on a diet.
No coke daw for her hand.
Yeah, I'll just have water.
Water.
No. No, I'm agree.
Okay.
So you're done already.
Is Lado finished?
Sarap ng may sili.
Inom.
What is that? Oh, wow.
Yeah, rice. Ang sarap manay. Wala na naman kami.
Na?
Ang sarap kasi matamis-tamis.
Manamis tapos maasim. Yeah. Nag-aaraw. Yung asim at saka tamis.
I still know where to go.
In apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed, because you're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far. So far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it. We knew that there had to be.
Mag-dessert na si Kuya. Tapos na kami kumain. Ano na lang. Purple yam na lang natira. Yes, yeah. Meron pang... Ayan, kinakain niya na yung chocolate cake. Konti na lang mauubos na yan. You like it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayan na yung dessert. Last.
One slice left.
Kasi si Kuya binabalik-balikan niya, oh. Pang ilan na yan ni Kuya.
No, it's a different cake. This is like...
The same. Yeah, you got no. Magbabath sila.
Yeah, I'm eating my pasta.
Ah, okay.
Somebody here to help.
Wanna help? Oh, tulong talaga silang dalawa.
Whoa!
Hello.
Let's take it off. Quick, before.
10 na guys. Nakahugas na ang ating sisika. And yung dalawang girls nasa bathtub, di ba? Ngayon, start ko ng pakulan yung ating pang-kare-kare. Huwag ko nang sabihin na kasi yung mga bata, gustong-gusto nila ang kare-kare pero nalaman nilang ayaw na nilang kumain. Buntot daw yun. Ayaw na nila. Kaya yun na yun yung kare-kare. Thanks sisikat siya ang nag-produce ng ating pang-kare-kare kasi wala talaga makuhaan dito.
Diba nahirapan pa ako nung iba yung ano?
Oo, ang ano niya, ang gusto niyang kunin. Ano kukunin mo? Pata. Pata ng baboy. Teka, meron yan dito. And, ang oxtail daw ay, ano sa...
Pata ng baboy.
Pata ng baboy. Tapos, ang oxtail daw ay, hindi niya alam, buntot pala yun.
Baka. Hindi ko alam. Baka ng buntot ng... Ay, akala
Hindi,
ko
pata. Hindi niya alam na, tail. So, ayan na yung ating oxtail. Takpan natin and pakulan natin siya. And then, bago ako matulog mamaya, hihinaan ko yung kanyang apoy. Tapos na silang magba.
Okay, let me first.
Si Jan, sinuklayan ni Jan si Holly. Ayun sila. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. 8:37. I-close ko na yung vlog kasi wala. Nagpapahinga na lang kami. Sikat na liligo. So, see you tomorrow. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, everyone. Good night. Good night. Naglalaro sila.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.